In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Dwmapi.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Check your system type, go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL and put download. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download button depending on the system type of your Windows. Wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Wait for this to load. Then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click and then select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder. Locate the System32 folder. So if you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System32. If you are a 32-bit, go to SYS Wow 64. Right click and then select paste. Click on replace the file in the destination. After doing so, you have to close all the windows and then right-click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again and search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply double-click on the folder and install the latest Microsoft Visual C++ on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.